Zoga, IB Masters Learning Center at ibmasters.com, and today we're going to look at the 8th question from the Digital SAT Test 1 Module 2. This is from the Bluebook app and your book. This is the harder set of writing language questions. Number 8 reads, which choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase? And it's a sentence completion. The paragraph reads, Ofelia Zepeda's contributions in the field of linguistics are blank. Her many accomplishments include working as a linguistics professor and bilingual poet, authoring the first Tohono O'odham grammar book, and co-founding the American Indian Language Development Institute. So, which is text, most logical and precise word or phrase. It's a sentence completion. So when you see a comma, colon, semicolon, or dash after the blank, oftentimes they'll have a word that's a synonym or an antonym, or usually a synonym to the blank already in a sentence. And here, it's many. Her contributions are many, and then it lists a few of those contributions. So the answer is A. Pragmatic means practical, marked by practice rather than theory, idea, or art. Meaning, so let's say you get your license, your parents probably aren't going to drive you a tractor trailer. It's not a very pragmatic choice, not a very practical choice, because it takes $300 a week to fill up, and where do you park it? So they'll probably get you a Honda Civic, much more pragmatic choice. You can park it anywhere you want, it's relatively safe, good on gas. Controversial, that's when people have strong opinions on both sides on a topic. We don't see that here. No controversy. Extensive looks like it's a good fit. So it extends into like many different accomplishments. Universal is not going to fit either. Universal means it's covering like absolutely, it relates to absolutely everybody. But here she's doing work specifically within the Indian community as a poet linguistics professor. It looks like, yeah, American Indian Language Development Institute. Answer choice C is your best answer here, extensive. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with sentence completion questions. If there's any question you'd like to answer from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out the